The Interstate 80 and Interstate 380 systems interchange is a major crossroads for the state of Iowa and the rest of the nation. As one of the busiest interchanges in the region, it is a vital link to the overall system of connectivity, mobility, freight travel, and economic well-being. However, the current interchange is outdated and does not have the capacity to safely and reliably handle projected regional traffic and freight growth. Continued growth in the region poses a challenge that needs to be addressed through reconstruction of the I-380 interchange. The interchange is an important link along the 380 corridor for regional travelers. It is one of the state's most traveled interchanges. In 2017, the interchange served over 90,000 vehicles and 15,000 freight trucks per day. As the freight industry grows, so too will the number of freight vehicles on the interstates. Once reconstructed, the existing ramps, on which numerous rollovers and crashes have occurred over the years, will be replaced by a modern interchange that improves mobility, safety, and travel reliability. This project is a top priority for the Iowa Department of Transportation, with over $350 million planned for project construction. These projects are prioritized by available funding and potential to enhance safety and improve traffic operations. The I-380 reconstruction effort is benefiting from local community support. Local investments have created a more resilient transportation system to support the interchange. There are projects in the area that are part of the overall plan to prepare the regional transportation system to support I-380 reconstruction. This work represents a commitment to safe and efficient mobility during reconstruction efforts. As part of our commitment to safety, we are working with the region's emergency responders, towing companies, and media partners to coordinate response to crashes, weather-related events, and other incidents that may impact your ability to travel through this area. We are committed to provide timely project and incident information because we understand the inconvenience that comes with roadway construction. Traffic may be slower than normal and increased congestion will occur. However, by planning ahead, you can be prepared for these impacts and take steps to avoid or minimize disruption. For commuters between Cedar Rapids and Iowa City, a regional express bus is planned to run during peak hours. We also encourage ride-sharing, telecommuting, and adjusting your schedule to help avoid peak hour traffic when possible. To learn more about planning ahead for your commute during construction, visit our project page and stay informed about upcoming construction efforts. Also, sign up for 511 alerts to receive up-to-date travel notifications. I-80 spans the U.S. from San Francisco to New York. I-380 is part of the designated Avenue of the Saints between St. Paul and St. Louis, and is the region's primary north-south freight corridor. This interchange is a cornerstone of the nation's transportation system, and its reconstruction will benefit the region. It will improve traffic capacity and reduce the frequency of unexpected delays, creating a more reliable system. This project is anticipated to reduce the number of crashes at this junction, making it a safer place to travel. Let's work together to help keep Iowa moving safely while we rebuild for our future.